after you purchase the upgrade kit for KUODAO. This video shows you how to replace the core circuit board of a smart door lock. Prepare a pair of cross screwdrivers. On the battery cover of the back panel of the smart door lock, unscrew the battery cover screw counterclockwise. Remove the battery cover. You can see 4 1.5-volt alkaline batteries. Under certain conditions, rotate counterclockwise using an electric screwdriver. Loosen the fixing screws for the heel door of the rear panel. The length and quantity of this screw, it is determined according to different hardware structures. One hand gently removes the back panel. Put your other hand against the front panel. Move lightly. Avoid tearing the connecting wire in the middle, between the battery case and the lock body, connected by 2 red and black lines. Pinch and unplug. Remove the handle lever and anti-lock lever. Remember every step of disassembly. Recovery is required later. Pinch and unplug the lock body. 8P cable docking with the core circuit board. Be sure to remember the line sequence. Remove the front panel. Get the new door lock for the upgrade kit ready. Core circuit board. Part: door lock plastic protective box with core circuit board. If there is any, open the 4 screws with a cross screw batch, and remove the protective case. If there is no protective box, skip this step. With or without a protective box, the circuit board will have 4 screws, fixed on a certain bracket or bracket. Loosen the screw. Remove the circuit board. Main board. Our credit card signal. It's achieved through this induction coil. Pry it off with a tool like tweezers. Most of them are connected by self-adhesive. Be sure to pay attention. There is a sensitive logo on the front of the acrylic. Connect the old circuit board to the protective box through screws. Separate them with a cross screwdriver. Come to the most crucial step in the whole process. Replacement upgrade kit with new core board. Install the connecting screws between the new circuit board and the protective box. Prepare to install the induction coil of the core circuit board. First, tear off the protective paper of the double-sided tape. Observe the acrylic on the outside of the front panel. Card reading center area. Align the induction coil in the center. Stick it on the inside of acrylic. Deviating from the card swiping guide area will affect the card reading effect. Put back the core circuit board and protective box. Handlebar inserted back into the front panel. Pay attention to the direction of the handle lever. Put back the anti-lock lever. Plug back the 8P cable between the core circuit board and the lock body. Be sure to pay attention to the line sequence one by one. Be sure to pay attention to the direction. Place the connecting cable properly in the hollow part of the door keyhole. Appropriate location. Put back the front panel. Handlebar put back on the back panel. Put back the power cable between the battery case and the lock body. Be sure to pay attention to the color of the line corresponding to. At this point, you should hear a long beep of the circuit board. Instructions for correct installation. Otherwise reinstall. The power supply here is only 6 volts. It will not cause any harm to the human body. Contact with confidence. Put back the rear panel. Note that the anti-lock knob corresponds to the anti-lock lever. Put back the through screws for the front and rear panels. Tighten the through screw. Put back the battery box protective cover. Screw the battery box screws. The replacement of the new circuit board of the upgrade kit is over. Turn the lock knob. See if the square tongue can be retracted freely. Turn the door lock handle. Observe whether the oblique tongue can retract freely.